Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video we'll talk about the selection process in the law colleges after cracking MH Law CET. So guys, stay tuned with me. Here we go. So guys, these are the stages for the selection process. The first one is MH Law CET exam. So guys, to enter into the law program, you have to crack MH Law CET. It is conducted by the Directorate of Higher Education, Maharashtra, through which you can secure your admission in the law programs offered by the best institutes, that is for 3 years and 5 years, that is nothing but the LLB and BALLB. Now the second stage is CAP round, that is centralized admission process. So guys, before going to the CAP round, here we'll discuss about the best institute in legal studies, that is GLC. So why GLC? Because it is the oldest law college in Asia, which established in 1855 and which is providing the law education in India from last 160 years. So guys, GLC offers both the courses, that is for 3-year and 5-year program. We are having the seat intake of 300 for 3 years and 240 for 5-year program. It also offers other law programs like Diploma in Security Law, Diploma in Cyber Law, Diploma in Human Rights and Diploma in Intellectual Property Rights. And guys, the cutoff trend stands for this college is around, for general it is 127, for OBC it is 111, for SC it is around 99 and for ST around 79. So guys, prepare in such a way that you should get this college. So moving forward, come to our selection process. So let's start this selection process. So the selection process commences after the declaration of your MSCET result, CAP round. It is the computer based, that is online mode. It has 3 rounds, that is CAP 1, CAP 2 and CAP 3. So let's see in detail. So how the counseling procedure start, that is nothing but your CAP round. CET cell will issue the merit number to the candidate based on the CET score, and thus the candidate are eligible to participate in the counseling round. So guys, these are the steps. The first step is register online. Now here you have to register and you have to pay the counseling fees. Now before going to the counseling process, you have to carry your admit card, which is very necessary. So guys, आपको यहाँ admit card भूलना नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो आफ्टर एग्जाम एडमिट कार्ड संभाल कर नहीं रखते, एज इट इज प्ले अ वेरी वाइटल रोल इन द काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस. नाउ द सेकंड स्टेप इज चॉइस ऑफ फिलिंग एंड लॉकिंग. नाउ हियर यू हैव टू फिल योर कॉलेज प्रेफरेंसेस एंड लॉक द सेम. सो गाइज, व्हाइल फिलिंग योर चॉइसेस, आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपका जो भी कॉलेज का फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस होगा उसे आप टॉप प्रायोरिटी देंगे. सो आपके प्रेफरेंसेस शुड बी डिपेंड्स ऑन दी प्रायोरिटी and don't forget to lock your preferences. So guys, this step number 3 is seat allotment in online mode. So here, after the procedure of filling and locking, the authority will release result for the seat allotment and you can check it through online by logging your account. Now the step number 4 is you have to report online to ARC, that is nothing but the admission reporting center. Now here you have to pay the seat acceptance fees. Now the last step is reporting at allotted institute for the verification of the documents. And once your all documents are verified, then only you will be selected. So guys, यहाँ आपको कुछ बातें ध्यान रखनी है, जैसे एडमिट कार्ड आपको नहीं भूलना है, आपके कॉलेज प्रेफरेंस को आपको लॉक करना नहीं भूलना है, एंड आपको ऑनलाइन रिपोर्ट करना नहीं भूलना है टू दी ARC. So guys, this is all from the selection process. I hope you get all the information regarding the selection process. So guys, if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask in the below comment section. You will get the solution for all your queries. So guys, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding the law entrance exam. You can join our online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full courses. You can attend our live lectures also. For online program, you can call us on 8828581455. You can visit our website at maneuveredu.com/lawentrance. You can also join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.